first coming. First in Ethiopian coming.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming to Ethiopia, okay?
Yes, then you
¿Qué te
watch.
digo?
You go. He and you go together. Where are you now?
United States.
In States, in America.
America, yep. Detroit, Michigan.
Okay. So
Are you
first,
coming here?
I am not coming because I haven't a passport.
Oh.
Yeah. የለኝም። I am sorry. He's have a passport.
He's coming to see me. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
ትመጣለህ አያሃለሁ ትመጣለህ ወይ እያለች ነው። ትመጣለህ ወይ አያሃለሁ። Yes, first coming you, madam. First coming.
Me, then him?
Yeah, you in Ethiopian coming. Yeah, in Ethiopian coming first watching, and you go on, okay? And you asking. Huh?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so you call asking, and you come first watching the in Ethiopian. So yes, he's not family. You know?
No?
He's stay alone.
Oh.
Yeah, because alone. He's now is no work. Only sit, not working.
What is he saying?
Yeah, she's beautiful. She's beautiful. He say she's beautiful.
Yeah, that's my husband.
Which one?
Him.
Okay. አይደለም ባሌ ነው እያለች ነው
እኮ ለሊያስ እየከፈልኩ ነው እንደዚህ ማዋራው የመጀመሪያ እኮ አይደለም
So okay, nice. So you first you coming, madam?
Yeah.
First you go together in America, okay?
Yeah.
Because he's out the passport.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, he's ready. First you coming, watch in Ethiopia, and then you go together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna go, then he's gonna come, okay?
Okay.
Yeah?
He's waiting. Man. Because he's waiting in Addis Ababa.
Yeah?
Okay, yeah, he's waiting in Addis Ababa, Bole.
Okay.
He's
okay,
waiting.
I'm coming.
በጣም አልጠብቃትም መብረድ ልሞት ነው እንዴ አራት ተከሰሰል
ኖ አይደለም ቦሌ ጠብቅሻል ያልኳት ነው
እኮ ነው መብረድ እንዴት ነው እዛ መጠብቃት ሁሌ ስለመጣ
ያ ሶ ማዳም ሊስን ወይኔ እውነትም የተቀየረ ፊት ተቀየረ ሊስን ማዳም ብላት እንደሆነ አላውቅም ማዳም ሊስን ያ ማዳም ሊስን because አይ የኔ መቤት ማለት እኮ የኔ መቤት ማዳም so you come because he's waiting in Addis. The weather is small cold because he's coming, no problem. You come, he's waiting in Addis Ababa and the Bole.
Okay.
Yeah. So you call asking. You come, you call in Ethiopian, and he's fast coming.
Thank you for the roses, guys. Let's get this win, okay? So I'm gonna go to Ethiopia, and he's gonna come here.
Yes.
Thank you for the roses, guys. Let's get this win. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, bye.